Welcome to Present Trade tutorial on how to set up your Civil Site Design Network license for version 2025. First, download CSA Network Manager and run it as an administrator. Once it opens, you will see a checkbox at the bottom of the window. Check it if you will use the same computer to run CSD. If you will use this computer to set up the license only, then keep it blank. For this tutorial, we will check it as we will use CSD on it. Then click on the first button, Activate, Deactivate Network License. Make sure that On-Premise License is checked. Then click on Activate Your License button. Here, you can choose the floating license database type, which will be XML, and you can also choose the location of the setup. But keep in mind that you need to choose a location on the server that all computers working on CSD have access to read and write on this folder. Otherwise, it won't work. After choosing a shared folder between both computers, click Register. Once it shows that you successfully registered a floating license, click Next. Then click on Activate Online. Add your license key again, then click Activate. After a few seconds, it will show that the license has been activated and display the expiration date. Then click Finish. If you click on the button Activate, Deactivate Network License again, it will show you the remaining days of activation and you will have the option to deactivate it anytime. And click on Refresh to see the activation and how many seats you have. After activation, open your CAD software, then go to the Road tab and open the License Manager. If you downloaded the trial version, deactivate it to activate the new license. Then click on Activate the license. It will pop up a window. On the bottom left, click on Set On-Premise Path. It will give you the ability to choose the type of product you want to activate and the location of the XML file. Choose CSD and for the location. If the software doesn't read the file, it means this computer doesn't have read and write access to the location. Once you give it access, it will read the location of the file. Then click on Verify Server and it will activate the license on this computer. And make sure to click on Checkout to confirm the license and begin working with it. Now open your second computer to activate the license on it as well. Open your CAD software, then go to the General tab, then License Manager. Click on Activate License. As with the first computer, choose CSD and the location of the file, then verify the server. And, as the first computer, make sure to click on Checkout to confirm the license and begin working with it. Congratulations! Now you have activated the license on both computers. But what if you need to use the license on a third computer even though the network license has only 2 floating licenses? Don't worry, you can still check them in if you need to work on another computer. Since your license can work on 2 computers, you can check in a computer and check out another computer. To do that, the first way is to open CSA Applications Network Manager and click on View Current Users. It will show you the computers that the license is activated on. If you want to release a floating license, just highlight the computer, then click on Release. This will release the license on this computer back into the license pool, and now you can use that license on another computer easily. The second way is to go to one of the computers you have already checked out, then go to CAD, then License Manager, and click on Check-in. And when you click Refresh in the CSA License Manager, the desktop disappears, indicating that it is being checked in. Thank you for choosing Present Trade for your civil site design needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. Happy designing!